Novosanis is a medical device company. We have two product lines. QbD is suited for collection of first void urine to detect infectious diseases and early stage cancer. The second product line is VaxID, and that's suited for injection of, for instance, vaccines, but also anti-allergic drugs.
We got in contact with Novosanis since their existence, I think, and then since 2 years we started working together very closely. The main project that we were doing over here was supporting them in a traineeship of one of their juniors and also implementing pharmaceutical standards in the QbD way.
At the start of Novosanis, we defined and designed our own ISO 13485 system, and in a way that's a big job, but pretty straightforward. It's only when you start upscaling that the real issues surface. And I think at that moment we hired Dominique from QbD for QA presence and permanence, but also for QA training. And that has now further evolved to internal auditing, and we are now kicking off the quality kick system of QbD's software.
When we encountered an issue in manufacturing, it was Dominique that really helped us out in solve the problem, get the communication done towards the customer, improve our basic processes, improve quality control throughout the manufacturing line, and really help us out in writing the valid processes and instructions to never encounter the problem again.
We don't really believe that you can find all the expertise in one person, so we really want to make it like a teamwork. And if there are some questions popping up from the client side and the consultant can't answer immediately, we try to reach out to our internal and external network within QbD and, of course, our partners.
As a young company with a small team, it's not very easy to come up with answers to all issues. And banking then on all the experience and previous partnerships that QbD had with other companies, it's a big asset to have.
Well, I think what we have basically established now is a partnership with QbD, in which we take their services on an ad hoc basis whenever we feel the need to it. I think that's already reflected in the fact that we reach out to them for the internal auditing, which has to come at several locations throughout the year as part of our quality management system.
Partnering with QbD is, like stated in the values, it's a joy to work with. It's dynamic, it's quick feedback, it's very constructive.